How to turn off mirror mode on Google Meet. First thing first, head over to your Google Meet application. And once you launch the app, you just need to make sure that you're logged in. As you can see, I am logged in using my Google account. Then from here, you want to head over to the menu icon on the left side of your screen, tap on the hamburger menu. Another pop-up will come up on your screen and then tap on settings. Now, once your settings is open, you'll find different options here. And from here on, you're going to have to tap on the calling or the legacy option, tap on it. And from here, you will see the in-call settings right at the bottom. Head over there. And as you can see, here are different options like knock knock for this device, mirror mode, moments, and data saving mode. Just go ahead and turn off the mirror mode. It mimics a mirror when you look at yourself. But if you turn it off, you will be inverted on your screen. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.